Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So it's that Christmas season and time for shopping, and I'm gonna include in this video over here some of the gift ideas for your cycling buddies that you guys can choose and that I can kind of give you. So what I will do for you guys, I have all kinds of cycling items here, from the helmets, from the lube, all kind of tools, going on to the gear, Castelli, and I even have the Fulcrum Racing wheel set. So what I will do for you guys, I'm going to include the link in description on my affiliated Amazon links where you guys can get these. And I get a tiny bit of commission that helps me, this channel, keep going. So anyways, so what I will do for you guys, let me just start you with some stuff. So what I have here, some of them are not that expensive, but I'm gonna kind of go from the very inexpensive ones to the pricey gifts here that you guys can choose for your cycling buddy or anybody that you want to get the gift to, So the first one, let's say if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money on the Christmas season shopping, let's just go with one of the here that I find them really, really, really inexpensive. Will be this one here. For $10, you can get this CL1 loop, and I think this is a very, very nice gift. By the way, I apologize for this one. This one I actually used on my bike. I actually used this to lube my chain and sprockets quite often. So I apologize. This one is already used. Now the second one, when it comes to the gifts on the budget, the second one that you can really get, and it's also not expensive one, is this one here. Another $10 gift. And anyone out there that rides a road bike, they will definitely need 700C. So see what I'm talking about here. Everyone that rides a road bike, they will need the 700C, a tube, when they get a flat. So this gift will definitely come down in handy. Now that the same thing can be said for the CL1 lube. If you're into the bikes, whether you own a road bike or a mountain bike, you will definitely need synthetic lube to keep lubing up your chain. Otherwise, how are you going to run your bike? So we'll put this one aside, and I'm going to start slowly going from the very cheapest one to a little bit more pricey one. Now, if you know someone that does the tune-ups and whatnot, and they really like working on the bikes, this is really a nice gift that I would recommend. The Park Tool wrench, sorry, screwdriver. So let you see here, very, very, very nice one. Nice to hold, quality tool. I had this one for quite some time, and I just love it, and here you go. So I will, again, like I said, I'm gonna include the link down in the description where you guys can get all these off Amazon, whether you're experiencing a lockdown or whatnot. I will include links in the description down, and you guys can get these. So another one that's also not that pricey will be this one, and I really found this one very handy for my brake jobs. Let you see here what I'm talking about. Very, very nice one. This is a AWS1. Had it for quite some time, and if you see, it looks like brand new again. Just love it. See, it still looks brand new no matter what, And I use this tool quite often to do my tune-ups, to do my adjustments. Very, very nice gift that you can give to someone, and they will be quite thankful for that. Okay, let's put this aside. So now that we are kind of at the midpoint of this video, let's look at some of them that are a little bit pricey. Now, another tool that I kind of really like here will be this one here. This is the MTB3. This is a very nice multi-tool that everyone should have, and I'll let you see here. So he has the screwdrivers, he's got the wrenches, he's got the chain breaker tool. You name it, this thing has it. Now, what I really like about this one, it has a nice pouch. So you can take it on your trip overseas, down to Caribbean. It's kind of like emergency, and a really nice one. Now, I believe this one on Amazon is about 30 to 40 American. So this gift is gonna cost you already a penny, penny or two, So $30 for that one is already, quite, but again, reasonable again. So I'm gonna now move on to a few nice gifts that I would recommend in that price range, 30 to 40 American would be, actually let's do the cheap one first, would be this guy over here. You can have these, because now we are in the winter season, you can have these cycling winter gloves for about, I believe, 10 American. Last time when I looked them up, they were just about 10 American. So again, I'm gonna also include them down in the description. This is a very, very nice gift on a budget that you guys can give someone, and they will be fairly surprised that you only paid $10 for this cycling gloves. Okay, so another one that gets just a little bit pricey is this guy. You guys probably know it. Castelli. I don't know, for whatever reason, extra large fits me. So definitely they got me the extra large. These would be about 35 to 40. So these are your summer cycling gloves, and I'll let you here see them. These are pretty nice. Now my old ones, I don't know how long they're gonna last for. So I definitely cannot wait to try these. And at the same time, I'm gonna do a review for you guys, so you can see how well the new Castelli gear is holding up. And it's gonna be quite interesting video over here. Now moving over to a little more pricier would be this one here. Now, if you guys have noticed that the cycling Castelli jackets, for whatever reason, they seem to be very pricey. So if you want to spend, for example, a couple $100, you can definitely get one of these fall and the winter jackets. So this one comes with the Garmin sponsor engraved on the front. There is the lovely Castelli logo. Now, I'll be quite honest, this one is an older model. I don't ride them quite often in the winter season here. I do love riding in fall, but this one is a little... So what I will do for you guys, I'm going to find equivalent, and again, I'm going to put a link in the description where you guys can find these Castelli jackets and get it for someone. Now, keep in mind, when you are spending your money on these expensive Castelli gear, make sure that you check the sizing. You know, if you guys are new to the cycling, Castelli sizing is a very, very tricky. And you guys that have been riding, that have been buying Castelli, you already know what I'm talking about. So that's the tip that I would like to give you. And then here we go. Another one here, which is also on the pricier side, will be the Castelli jersey. I'll let you see this one. These go for about 120, 140. So quite nice. Now I'll let you see here. This one is 2XXL, and it just fits like extra large. So again, you gotta be really careful there with the sizing and whatnot. And one other item here when it comes to the pricey stuff that you gotta be kind of careful with the sizing is the helmets. This one I believe is the 59, so that's like a large, on the large side. So you gotta definitely be careful that you wanna make sure if that person is, if their size is extra large, get them the XX large with the Castelli. So in that way, you can gamble whether it will fit them or not, and definitely remain and keep your hands on that receipt, so that if the jersey doesn't fit him or the jacket, you can go back and exchange that item if they wish to do so. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, I'm gonna put all these down in the description. I hope I found it kind of diversified here, and I gave you really nice ideas that you can go from $10 to $200 gift, and hopefully you will find this useful, and some of you will give those gifts to someone of your close ones. There you go. Hope you find it useful. Take care and see you next. Bye bye.